So once again, very good afternoon, dear students. Now we are going to revise domain range. How to find domain, how to find range. I think last time we discussed now. So anyway, I think all of you remembering this one formulas. See carefully. Just first 5 minutes I'm revising. See the functions, domain, range. Root over a square minus x square. For the domain, closure interval minus a comma a. Properties, I think all of you are remembering, I think. It is there, root f of x means what here? F of x is always greater than or equal to 0. See carefully, like that. So what is the domain here? Closure interval minus a comma a. Range is 0 comma a. Suppose the function is there in the denominator 1 by root over a square minus x square. Then its domain is what here? Strictly greater than 0. Open interval minus a comma a. See, range is what here? 1 by a comma infinity. This one. What is the case here? How to find range? Take is equal to y. Squaring on both sides. So 1 is equal to a square y square minus x square y square. What is the result? A square y square minus 1. I told you. Express x in terms of y. That means like this is coming. So what is strictly take greater than or equal to 0. You can get the what the result is coming. C. So this is the result is coming. Three. These are the formulas. Fifth one, a power x, a greater than 0, a not equal 1. A power x means what here? 2 power x, 3 power x, like this only. Domain is what is set of real numbers. And range is what? 0 to infinity. Sixth one, e power x. Seventh one, log x to the base here. Be careful, right on. By practicing only it will be easy. Okay, no? If you are feeling concept is easy, otherwise feeling difficult, definitely difficult. So last time we discussed classification of functions. What are they? Identity function, constant function, modulus function, step function, fraction part of x, like that. Today we are going to discuss about types of functions, even functions, odd functions. Let us see what are they. Write down. Dear students, write down. Now see, even and odd function. Write down, please, all of you. Even function means what? The function f of x is said to be even function. F of minus x is equal to f of x for all x belongs to domain. Such type of functions are called as even function. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are even functions. So take one example. See, dear students, get ready. So how do you know? For example, f of x is equal to cos x is there. Whether it is even or odd, what do you have first of? Replace x by minus x. What is the answer is coming? Cos of minus x. Cos of minus x means cos x. Cos x means f of x. So what is the conclusion? F of minus x is equal to f of x means f is an even function. That's all. See here they're giving some examples. Y is equal to cos x. Dear student, this one is what here? Y axis behaves as a mirror image. Y is going to x square, like that. This is the mirror image. So this note is very important. What is that? The graph of even function is always symmetrical with respect to y-axis. The graph of even function is always symmetrical about y-axis. Two, odd function. What is that? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. For all x belongs to domain, then f is called odd function. This is the example one. See difference here, here. 2, 3, 4, 5. All are what? Odd functions. This is the graph. Y is equal to x cube. This is the graph. Y is equal to sin x. This is the graph. Check it. Let us see whether it is correct or wrong. Take any one example. What would here see? For example, y is equal to sin x is there. So what I'm doing here, replace x by y means you should understand that is f of x. F of minus x is equal to sine of minus x. Sine of minus theta, trigonometric function it is the minus sine x. Minus f of x. So what you are observing? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. That is the meaning. So what is the case? Therefore, f is an odd function. This is the proof I'm giving. This is the example for odd function. For any function, verify whether it is even or odd means simply replace x by minus x. That's all. Yes, we'll see. I'm taking one more example for you. After completing, tell me. I can proceed. This is the even function. Even function. This is what your odd function. So write down this note. See carefully. The graph of odd function is always symmetrical about origin. So best example, sin x. See carefully. X cube, sin x. So those examples are best example for odd functions. So I'm taking one example. See how to verify. Another one. See carefully. F of x is equal to a power x minus 1 by a power x plus 1. So please tell me anyone whether it is even function or odd function. Anyone? I'm taking one example. F of x is equal to a power x minus 1 by a power x plus 1. Whether it is even or odd, let me see. Yeah, first immediately Abhiram responding. Very good. What the first step, anyone? Yes. Replace x by minus x on both sides. F of minus x is how much? Dear students, I think all of you know a power minus x means 1 by a power x. What would you have? 1 by a power x by 1 by a power x plus 1. Take the LCM. So 1 minus a power x by 1 plus a power x is coming. Take as a common factor, minus as a common factor. What is this? So f is what? Odd function. This is a beautiful example. Please write on. How to recognize? That's what I'm saying for any case. This is the procedure. I'm explaining, see. For any function, replace x by minus x. F of minus x is equal to f of x. This is even, this is odd function. That's all. How to recognize means replace x by minus x. Output is f of x means even, minus f of x means odd function. See carefully. Take minus as a common factor from the numerator. Okay, no? Numerator take minus as a common factor. A power x minus 1 by a power x plus 1. What is the value that one? F of x is given. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x means what? It is the odd function definition. See carefully. Even, odd. Only practice required. That's why here. And you see, this is the example for even function. This is the example for odd function. Listen carefully, okay now? Which one is the even function? Which one is the odd function? కొద్దిగా కష్టపడ్డారంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది మీ క్యాలిక్యులస్ చూస్తే కాంప్లికేట్ చాప్టర్ ఓకేనా బట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సారీ ఓకేనా లిటిల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఓకే టుడే టాస్క్ ఈజ్ సో టేక్ వన్ A4 size paper okay only one A4 size paper front back draw the graphs what is the graph of identity function step function okay dear students what is the modulus function draw the graphs take the photo PDF format is required post in DCS group doubts commonly mass doubts is common group is there no don't send me individually for not personally keep in group common group how many of you sending let me see okay properties of even function and odd function graphs only just draw the graphs okay na? First page and second page only 2 pages maximum A4 white okay properties the product of even function two even functions is even function take into even functions multiply verify so x square into cos x it is a even function sum and difference of two even functions is even function x square comma cos x both are even functions sum and difference of two odd functions is odd function one is x here students check it another one is sin x add them again output is coming odd function only the product of two odd functions is suppose one is x one is sin x if you are multiplying output is even is coming check it so these are the properties of two okay now sometimes but it is not necessary every function is even or odd sometimes neither even nor odd function that is the meaning so every function means f of x can be written as even function and odd function also can write 1 by 2 okay that is the meaning Even function, odd function. Matrix side is that every square matrix can be written as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Here also every matrix, every function can be written as sum of even and odd function. So please add this point. I'm proceeding. Get ready. See. This is the best example, dear students. See. The function f of x is equal to x into x means like this one into whether it is even or odd. What to do here? Satyajurya, what to do? Replace x by minus x. We get that's the meaning. See carefully. A power minus x means what? 1 by a power x. After that, take the LCM. Check it. X into a power x minus 1 by a power x plus minus coming. F of x is coming. What is the conclusion? F of minus x is equal to f of x means it is the even function. See, whether it is even or odd means what? It is the odd function. It is the even function. How? Verify. Simple. Replace x by minus x. What is the result is coming? See. What is the result is coming? Odd function is coming. Thank you, Aviram. Okay. Now I'm giving one question. Okay. One objective question. For example, I'm giving C. Prove that f of x is equal to logarithm of the base 10 x square plus 1 plus x is an odd function. How? Nothing. Directly put a replace x by minus x. What the answer is coming? Anyone? X square plus 1 minus x is coming. Is it clear? So what I'm doing here is to see rationalizing. Rationalizing. Conjugate sorts. A minus b into a plus b. Anyone? That is x square plus 1 minus x square by root over x square plus 1 plus x. X square cancel 1 by root over x square plus 1 plus x. What you are observing minus. What you are observing minus f of x is coming. This is how much? This value is how much? F of x is the condition. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x means what is the case? F of x is an odd function. So this is the 4 marks question in IPE. In objective, they're asking which of the following functions are even functions. Which of the following is odd function? For any case, verify, replace x by minus x. That is the answer. Practice only no. For example, y is equal to x into sin x. I mean, f of x, of course. Tell me whether it is example 2 even or odd. Anyone? Example 2, whether it is even or odd. Try whether it is wrong, no problem. Okay, let me see. Okay, now if it is wrong, no problem. Can verify. I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, some people are saying odd function. Okay, let us see. Warren Siddhartha saying odd. Abhiram also saying odd function. Anyone? Okay, let us verify. Okay, let us verify. First of all, what is the first step? Replace x by minus x. Okay, minus x into. First of all, here two functions. One is odd, one is odd. Product of two odd functions. Just by given proof, see. Verify what the answer is coming. Okay. Minus x. Okay. Sine of minus x means that is also minus sin x. Minus and minus plus. So x into sin x. This is what? F of x. F of minus x is equal to f of x means f of x is what? An even function. Right on. Good. After completing, please tell me this one. Completed? The students? Okay. Now, explicit and implicit function. It's very easy, nothing more. Dear students, suppose what is the meaning? We are expressing y in terms of x. That is explicit function. Okay, suppose x power y power x is equal to 2 is there. So in this case, we cannot separate the variables. Again, x is on the left hand side, y is the right hand side. We cannot separate the terms. Okay, we cannot express x in terms of y. We cannot express y in terms of x. That's what this is called as implicit function. One more example I'm taking here, say x is equal to some sin y plus 2y plus 1. What is this? This is also explicit function. Okay, that much importance is not there. Leave it. Get ready. Now, next page. Continuous and discontinuous function. What do you mean continuous function? Dear students, see carefully. Draw the picture like this one. Without lifting the pen, okay, continuously is going on. See, without lifting the pen in the domain. Okay, so such type of graphs are called as continuous function. Following all of you, am I lifting the pen from the interval, from the beginning to ending? Is there any gap? No. See carefully. A function is said to be continuous function in an interval I. Okay, if we are not required to lift the pen or pencil of the paper, that is there is no gap or break or jump in the graph. Such type of functions are called as continuous functions. These are the best examples. All are continuous functions. Sin x means what? Here continuous, there is no gap. Okay, continuous is going on like this only. Y is equal to x square or y is equal to sin x, like that. Discontinuous means what? Here break is there. See, at x is equal to 0, break is there here. A function is said to be discontinuous if there is a break or gap or jump. F of x is equal to 1 by x. F of x is equal to tan x. Tan x means what? Here this is the gap is there. See, this is what you're talking about. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. One more example. Yeah, stuff x or fractional part of x. Fractional part of x graph idea is there anyone? What is the graph fractional part of x? Anyone? Like that. See, anyone remember what? See. So this is the fractional part of x graph. Completely gap is a jumping. That is the meaning. Discontinue this one. Now, increasing function, decreasing function. This one is completed. Step function means graph idea is there. Step function. Anyone? Gap is there. See, lifting the pen. So this is the discontinuous function. Okay, this is the discontinuous. Okay. Next, what is the increasing, decreasing function? Increasing function means is the definition. A function f of x is called increasing function in the domain D if the value of the function does not decrease by increase the value of x. Simply you can say this one. See, suppose x1 is greater than x2. What you can say about f of x1, that is also greater than or equal to f of x2, or x1 less than x2 means f of x1 is also less than or equal to f of x2. So this is the best example one. That is the definition. But dear students, separate chapter is there increasing decreasing function. Okay, yeah. This is separate chapter is there increasing decreasing. Just I'm giving only we are using basics definitions only. Yes. Only graphs, Abhiram. Okay, Ram. In the LCD chapter is the limits continuity differentiability. In that case, we discuss briefly what is the continuous. Okay. So in this case, we are using only definitions. Okay. Now see, F of x is equal to e power x. What is graph? This one. Last time we draw this one. See, f of x is equal to e power x, strictly increasing. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Strictly increasing. Either f of x is equal to a power x. F of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x into mod x. All are increasing functions. That's the meaning. Strictly increasing means what here? Greater than are equal to not possible. Strictly greater than means this is the case. See carefully here. Is equal is missing. Here is equal is there. That is the difference. So similarly, decreasing means what? Voltage is coming. See, right now, I will give an example. All of you write down. Completing Satysurya, Abhiram, Venkat. All are completed. Okay, good. Thank you, Jitesh. Now see, decreasing function. What the meaning? See, x1 greater than x2 means volta. F of x1 is less than or equal to f of x2. Volta is coming. X1 less than x2 means f of x1 is greater than or equal to f of x2. So for all x1 comma x2 belongs to D. That is the meaning. Just to discuss now. F of x is equal to log x to the base a. That's the meaning. Here a means you should understand a should be less than like this only. 0 to 1 only. Be careful. Please write on this point. F of x is equal to e power minus x. So this is what here like this. A means like this. One more graph. See carefully. Decreasing. What is that? Y is equal to e power minus x. Next example, I'm giving 1 by 3 power x means what? This is the graph. Zero, x. These are what here? Decreasing functions. Decreasing functions. Like that. Now see, note is very, very important note. So every function you cannot say whether it is strictly increasing or decreasing. Sometimes some functions are there which are neither increasing nor decreasing. Especially this part, see, function is increasing. Function is increasing in one part of the given interval, decreasing in the second part, like this one. Neither increasing nor decreasing means best example is what here? Constant function. If anyone is asking, any one of your friend, any one of your friend is asking, give one example for the function is neither increasing or nor decreasing means what? Best example is constant function. Okay. Certain intervals, same function, sometimes increasing, sometimes decreasing. Certain intervals. Best example is cos x. Sometimes increasing, sometimes decreasing. See, y is equal to cos x, dear students. But x is what here belongs to 0 to pi by 2. For example, in this interval, what you can say, graph is coming like this only. This is the pi by 2, this is the 0. What you can say, this is the decreasing. Like that, you can say. 0 to pi by 2. So minus pi by 2, 0 is what? Increasing. So be careful, this type of diagrams are very, very important. Briefly discuss later, don't worry. X belongs to minus pi by 2 to 0 means y is equal to cos x means what? Increasing. Depending on interval. That's what I'm saying. In this case, what is decreasing? In this case, what are increasing like that? Okay. Now, keep waiting, all of you. Types of functions. Any one? What are they? First one is 1, 1. Second one is many 1. Third one is on 2. Fourth one is into. Fifth one is bijection like that. Into means what is another name? That is into means the other name is not there. If the onto is there, that is surjective. Surjective. One means or injective. Another name is injective, like that you can write. Okay. Here bijection means nothing here. 1, 1 and on 2. One function is adds to both 1, 1 and on 2. That's what by means 2. That is the meaning. Now let us see what is the 1, 1. What is the many 1 on 2 into bijection. What is another name for 1, 1? Injection, injective. On 2 means surjective, surjection, anything. Many 1 into on 2, let us see. Get ready, write down. Keep eating. Types of functions. So tomorrow, first 5 minutes we discuss only basics. Okay. Recall the definitions. Don't worry. Without practicing, no use, dear students. I'm saying. Types of functions. What are they? First one is we are discussing, dear students. 1, 1. Get ready. See, what is the 1, 1? A function f maps A to B is said to be 1, 1 function. Means what, dear students? If a distinct elements of domain A have distinct images in B, that is called as 1, 1 function. Once again, I'm repeating, distinct elements of A has distinct images in set B, that is called as 1, 1. So what is the another way you can say that? See, carefully, x1 is not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. X1 is not equal to x2 implies f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Here, printing mistake is there. I don't see. I'm writing carefully. Write on like this. I'm writing otherwise see. Or this one. I'm writing dear students say what is the case? X1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. If you're getting like this, then we can say that 1 1. What is the another way? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Both are same. Then x1 is equal to x2. Any one of the cases, you can say that 1 1. See example 1. See example 2. See example 3. Anyone? Which one is 1 1 function? Which one is not a 1 1 function? Example 3. Get ready, everyone. A, B. For example, 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C, D. Anyone. Which one is the 1 1 function? Which one is not a 1 1 function? Why? Example 1 is the 1 1 function. See? Why? Because, yeah, in the domain C, each and every element has image. How are they distinct images in B? What about example 2? Example 2 is also 1 1. But what about example 3? Not a not 1 1 function. Why? Anyone? Why? Example 3 is a one, it's a function, but not a 1 1 function. Anyone? Jishnu, Abhiram, anyone? Why it is not a 1 1? Purnamani, Varun Siddharth, anyone? Why? Because, yeah, coming, someone saying. Excellent. B has same pre-images. Otherwise, see, 1 and 2 are same images. Here, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 have same images. That's why. Same image not possible, distinct images. Concept is what here? 1 1 means in code in domain, take any element, all the elements are should be having distinct images in codomain B. Okay. Note 1. Already told you. So, what is the note 1? Both elements does not have any same image, that's the meaning. Note B, triple star, 4 star, 5 star, anything. What is the case? One graph is there. Draw a line parallel to x-axis. So it meets the curve at most 1 point. Then function is called as 1 1. Dear students, see, one graph is there like this only. So how many times intersecting? This is the graph. So draw a line like this. How many times intersecting? Only one time. Only one time. See, it is the 1 1 function. 1 1 function. Correct. This one also correct. Now see, is it 1 1? Example 4. Anyone? Is it 1 1? No. Why? Why? Anyone? Because draw a line parallel to x-axis. So it is meets 2 times. That means what both are same images. That is the meaning. Intersecting the graph at more curve maximum means at least 2 points. So it's not a 1 1. Yeah, because it is many points. Good. Next one, see. Thank you, Srija. Now, see, these are the all our examples, dear students. How many examples you want? Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 9. So, all see carefully. One more thing I'm saying. I'm drawing, see carefully. In this case, what is the domain? R plus C. In this case, domain is R plus. In this case, domain is what? Any real number other than 0. Be careful. These are the functions. A into x power n plus b. N must go odd positive. So all are what here? One functions. Number of examples are there. See. Dear students, see f maps are to are defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b. Okay, whether we can verify whether it is one or not. What is the graph of ax plus b? Anyone? This right line. Am I correct? Draw a line parallel to x-axis, intersecting only one time. By using graph, it is a one function. Yeah. What is another method? Another method. Anyone? What is another method? I'm taking f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? ax1 plus b is equal to ax2 plus b. B cancel. ax1 is equal to ax2. A cancel. X1 is equal to x2. So therefore, what is the meaning? F is 1. By graph method, or which one? This is called as analytical method. Anyhow, this is the proof. So most of the cases here, we are using graphs only. Best method is graph, if you know. Otherwise, like this only. What is the many one? Anyone? Many one means what here? Two or more different elements of domain A. Okay, no? Yes. Same images in B. See examples? Example 1. The elements A, B both are having same images. Example 2. P, Q are having same images. R, S, T both are having same images. Only practice. Here also, first point is not required. Same meaning discussed. Now, triple star. What is the meaning? Draw a line parallel to x-axis. It means it meets the curve more than 1 point, at least 1 point. And then that graph is called as many one. That is the meaning. So please write on that one. What is the many one function definition right now? All of you. See here. This is the many one concept. Or what is the another way? F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 not equal to x2. We can say that it is the many one. After completing, tell me I can proceed. The next one. Discuss onto function. So tomorrow we discuss what are the into remaining. Okay, now? So one more case is there onto function. After that, we'll discuss few more problems. Okay. Next one, C. Thank you, Jitesh. Finally, these are the examples. Carefully. Examples of many one, dear students. See, F maps R to R, F of X is equal to C means what is this is called as constant function. 1, 2. F of X equal to X square parabola. 3. AX square plus B. All are many one functions. This one idea is their step function. This one is a greatest integer function. What about this case? Anyone? Fractional part of X. Fractional part of X. This is what your modulus function. Right on. So all are anyhow all are many one functions example. Now let us see what is the onto function or surjection or surjective. Some textbooks are giving like that surjective. Surjective. Okay. What is the meaning? Simple definition. What is the simple definition, dear students? Range is equal to codomain. Then that is called as onto. So in this case, see carefully. Range is what? LMN. What is the codomain? Both are same. So range is equal to codomain. So here also range is equal to codomain. That's why onto function. Onto function means what here? For every element in codomain. What is onto function? For every element in codomain, it has at least one premise in A. See example 1, example 2, example 3. See carefully. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. 1B, 2A, 3A. Is it onto function, dear students? Example 3 is it onto function? Why, Abhiram? Dear students, all of you take some water. Take some water. It is the function here. Who told? Jitesh Kumar, it is a function. See, I'm asking it is the onto function or not. It is a function. But my question is whether it is onto or not. If it is not a function, we want to discuss about. Meaningless. It should be a function. But whether it is onto or not, tell me. My question is. So how many of you drinking the water? How many of you taking water? Raise your hands. Good, yeah. Good. Keep it up. That is very important. Good. Can I ready? Good. Hands down, please. For this video, good. Now, come to the point. Anyone? It is not an onto function. Why? Because see 2 and 3. I'm sorry. In the codomain C doesn't have any premise. Simple. C doesn't have any premise. That's all. Different image, no problem. But C doesn't have any premise. Does not have premise. That's why not onto function. Right on. That's why I'm drawing the picture like this one. Why? Because here clearly, what is another way? How to say? See, I'm writing another way. Dear students, anyone please tell me what is the range? A comma B. What is the codomain? A, B, C. Are they equal? No. Range is not equal to codomain means it's not a onto function. Simple. So once again, I'm revising. Dear student, get ready. So these are very important. See, revision. What is the even function? What is the odd function? Once again, see, f of minus x is equal to f of x. It's very important. What is the even function? F of minus x is equal to f of x. These are the examples. See carefully. Okay. Just a minute. I'm taking annotations. This is the main. F of x is equal to a power x plus, e power x plus e power minus. These are the examples for even functions. Okay. See the graphs. What is the odd function? Odd function means what here? F of minus x is equal to f of minus f of x. X belongs to domain. It is an odd function. These are the graphs. Fine. So means what is the graph of the odd function is always symmetrical about origin. Odd function means. But what about even function means what here? Symmetrical about y-axis. Fine. Properties of even functions and odd functions. These are the very important. This is the proof. See. A power x minus 1 by a power x plus 1. It is the odd function. Okay. So these are the examples. Not only this one, you can take any example, verify properties are satisfying or not, true or false, like that. See, some people are confusing, that's why I'm giving. Even means what? F of minus x is equal to f of x. Odd function means what here? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Okay. See, the function f of x is equal to x into a power x minus 1 by a power x plus 1 is odd or even, like this only. For any case, what is the first step? Replace x by minus x. Like that, verify. So these are the two. One is even function, one is odd function. First example I'm giving. Okay. Only practice is required. Okay. Explicit, implicit function, dear students. See. So express y in terms of x or express x in terms of y. Such type of functions are called as explicit, otherwise implicit functions. Only practice is required. Dear students, get ready. Okay. Just a minute. Now see, continuous function and discontinuous functions. Ah, definitely. Next, what here? Continuous function, discontinuous function. So I think all of getting clarity is one. Okay.